Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my husband's channel Lohori Badshah. Today we are going to make TikTok wraps with a twist as we will be making biryani wraps. This is our own invention which hasn't been seen on social media before. The first step is to add 2 big tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into a preheated pan and add the marinated chicken. Fry this until golden brown. The chicken looks very amazing and mouth-watering. Add the chicken to a plate and let it set for a while. Take a tortilla wrap and cut it up to the middle. In the first quarter, add some homemade tomato sauce with some grated cheddar cheese. In the next quarter, add the fried chicken along with feta cheese. Next, add Nando's peri peri sauce, topped with some boiled Basmati rice. Lastly, in the next quarter, add some fresh lettuce with tomatoes. For reference, we have subtitles as well. After preparing the wrap, fold each quarter delicately, as my husband is portraying in the footage. You will be able to see each of the biryani layers properly in the next clip. Now this will be placed in a preheated kitchen grill for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. As an alternative, if you don't have a kitchen grill, you can also prepare it in a pan. For extra crunch, you can add a little bit of cheese on top of the wrap as well. Wow! Look at the drizzling cheese. Your biryani TikTok wrap is ready. Place it onto a plate and cut it into 2 pieces. You can see 4 layers of food very clearly: rice, chicken, cheese and salad. Please try this new recipe at home and don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. May Allah bless you all. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.